Hello, hello, how are you? Hi, hi, hi. Hello, hello, hello. Yang Congo, hello, hello. Yang Congo, hi, hi. Doctors, hello, hello. Engineers, hello, hello. Pilots, hello, hello. Pastors, hello, hello. Now, which language should I use? Should I use Kiswahili, English? Thank you very much. So today, ufanisi results. How many of you know ufanisi? Thank you. Ufanisi results said there, and I want to ask the teacher that the best students in each class from number 1 to 5, they will get free swimming at ufanisi the day of their choice. What could you want to eat when you come to ufanisi? All right, you'll eat chips. Okay, so today, because we have a tight program, we are going, where is the best footballer? Can I kick or can I throw?
When you goalkeeper, man.
I think I will throw. All right, receive. Put it down. Receive. Thank you very much. Those are your 2 balls. If they get one out again and the headmaster calls me, I shall be able to replace them. Hello, hello? Yes! And then we have the pumps for pumping. When the pressure goes down, there are pumps. They need to get 2 pumps. I think this thing has dropped. They need to get 2 pumps. And then I had some Americans who are staying at the hotel. They came from a state of Virginia. I asked them for Bibles. They are Christians. So they gave me Bibles. And I said, I'll share the Bibles. I'll share the Bibles. Okay, later.
Litukolia yonto abe no mo komonene asengenjo yo mheshimiwa Lumumba omanyene ufanisi bia mono mheshimiwa asengenjo kwa ira abana ebyego mumupira na ndembe mona senjo kwa promise ringa abana baito ko bara kore buya nocho bayira bakore swimming na no bari gari chinjera ende banyare gosoma ai muno mheshimiwa bwe kenyoroga ntoma thenga no ko nyangongo ne community yabo Kitutu Chache South ngima abalimu mwalimu manne mo deputy oye na abalimu bonse batebire mbuya mono wani abaya no na bayibuli banyangongo bayigure ngambuya asegasi wakore mheshimiwa asoko olete biye kwa sabana igoseni mono.
And then we have Ufanisi International Hospitality College, where we train the young people in the hospitality industry. The hospitality industry actually plays a very critical role in the economy of this country. So we train people to be housekeepers, to do pastry, to be good waiters or waitresses, to be good hostesses for this industry. So in brief, I thought that I started giving back to the community because this community has supported me to where I've reached. So today I said I'll just bring balls for the kids and we'll sell maybe some sweets with them. Going forward, we are developing our policy of where every year, as part of our profit, we must set it aside for activities that support holistically our communities. Like right now, we have about 25 kids, mostly young girls, from the 5 wards of Kitutu Chache South, and we've given them a scholarship for a 2-year program under TVET, because we are TVET registered, so that these young girls can have a trade or a career. Not everybody can be a teacher, not everybody can be a doctor. There are those who fall on the way. So how do we cushion them to make sure that they become good members of our community? So that's why we are here today. Pole, I know we have disturbed your peacefulness. Teachers, you play a very critical role. Even that way, myself, I always say, even that way, the people who should be compensated, because you train doctors, you train engineers, you train everybody, should be the teachers. But I'm not in the politics of this country. I'm just trying to do the bit I can. Asante sana. Yes.
Hello.
How are you? Very sad. Yeah. Hi. Salama. You are very smart. Madam, uko salama? Uko salama. How are good? Tuko salama. Nimekuwa mkubwa. Nimekula. Hey, you look nice. Baka nyinyi mnavaa uniform. Hey, you are serious. You are very serious. Yeah? Thank you. Very sad. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, you are in uniform. Very sad.
You are Griffin is my son. Do you remember me?
Very well. Bwana. You are the one who is not in uniform.
I'm in uniform.
Yeah, I can see spots. Good. Oh, thank you. Uko salama bana? Thank you. Long time. Yeah, thank you. Chupam.
Mpaka na gavana. Sasa hii gavana wewe ndio utawapanga. We are thanking you too. I'm seeing the Ufanisi team and requesting you that you put more gender. I've only seen one lady. So this is a milestone to our school. You've seen the kind of ball we've been using. And I think as from today, we are going to change our lifestyle. Football is going to be our best. We are going to shine. God bless you for returning to the community. God bless your dreams. God bless your intentions. God bless Ufanisi.
Thank you.
So we are going to appreciate Ufanisi team by using the same method Madam told us. So we clap 3 times and we say, God bless Ufanisi. Alafu muwape. Thank you.
We are the Ufanisi family. We are a limited company. Within Ufanisi, we have so many companies. One of them being the college. I think mumesikia kuna college Ufanisi ya hospitality. That college is an international college. We do exchange program with one of the school in Canada called the School of Medicine of Heart. And hiyo shule wakati ilianza tuliona ni vizuri tutoe wanafunzi watano kila ward. We have 5 wards in our constituency and we have vulnerable kids from those wards. 5 wards, 5 students. So we have 25 population that Ufanisi Resort is sponsoring to Ufanisi College. So today we came here with our director simply giving back to our kids. We know that this term munaanza ball games, ndio? Na iwenda ikawa hata mpira peke yake amfanye nini? Hamna. So when we did the cooperation between the college and the result, we agreed that we are going to give out to our primary school and secondary mpira ndio muanze ku practice for physical activities, ndio?